New with name ID 8231244049. In today's college assessment presentation video, I will be explaining the topic linear uh, equation. Now, before we dive in, you should know that linear equations are just one type. They can have one, two, three, or even more variables, depending on their form, such as one variable linear equation and system of two variables linear equation and system of three variables linear equation. But to keep our discussion and focus to easy understand, today's I will be concentrating on one of the most basic essential step is one variables linear equation. We'll cover what is OVLE is from, how to solve it, and also example of how it's used in everyday life. Ready to learn, ready to learn, ready to learn together? Let's get started. Learning objective. After learning, students aren't expected to be able to one is define a linear equation in one variables, and two is identify variables constanta and coefficient. Three is solve one variable linear equation with one or two steps, and four is verify the solution found. What is an equation? An equation is a mathematical sentence that use the equal sign to show that both sides have same value. For the example, 5 plus 3 equals 8. That's a true equals. And 10 minus 2 equals 7. That's false equation. And for the last, x plus 4 equation equals 9. That's equation with variable. Material. One variable linear equation. It is an equation that meets two conditions. And one that has only one variables, usually like right with the letter x, y, z, or each other, and two is the exponent of the variable is one, not x squares root x or x times y, because this is have a two variable. And for the correct example is x plus 5 equals 2, and 2y minus 3 is equals 7, and 4z equals 16. For the incorrect example is x squared plus 2 equals 10 is exponent, because that's incorrect because that's have an exponent too, and root y equals 4, that's incorrect because have a square root, and x plus y is 8, that's incorrect because have a two variable. Component of linear equation. Look at the example. 2x minus 7 equals 5. The variable letter whose value is unknown, x, and the coefficient and number multiplied by the variable is 2 and constanta. A number that does not have a variable minus 7 and 5 in term a part of separated by a or a plus or a minus psi 2x minus 7 and 5. Solution method that goes find the value of the variable that makes the equation true. Use inverse operation opposite. Uh, One is addition, double around, subtraction, and multiplication, double around to division. For the principle is whatever is done to one side must also be done to the other side of the equal side so that the value remains the same. Now, let's go to the example question. Example 1. Let's have a one step. Solve x plus 4 um, equals 9. Method. Subtract 4 from both sides. Inverse of adding 4. X plus 4 minus 4 equals 9 minus 4. And x equals 5. Verification. Substitute substitute x equals 5 into the original equation. 5 plus 4 equals 9. That's correct. Example 2 have a two step. Solve 2z minus 3 equals 7. Step 1, add 3 both sides. 2z minus 3 plus 3 and equals 7 plus 3 because minus 3 plus 3 is 0. That's why this is have a 2z and 7 plus 3 is 10. And step 2 is divide both sides by 2. Okay. 2z over 2 equals 10 over 2. And the answer is z equals 5. And verification is 2x 2 times 5. 2 times 5 minus 3 is equals 7 is correct. For the next example question, we have story problems. Ali has 50,000 rupiah and he buys a book for 15,000 rupiah and use the rest to buy pencil that cost 5,000 rupiah each. How many pencil does Ali buy? The answer is let the number is of pencil equals x. Equation 15,000 plus 5,000 x equals 50,000. Solve 5,000 x equals 50,000 minus 15,000. 5,000 x equals 35,000 and x equals 35,000 over 5 and the answer is x equals 7. That's the last answer is 7. Ali have 7 pencil. Conclusion. One variable linear equation has one variable with a one exponent, and two use inverse operation and perform them on both sides of equals to solve. 3. Verify the solution by substitution it back into the original equation. And 4. Can be used to solve real life problems. So that's was my explanation about linear equation. I hope you now have a better understanding of what is a one variable linear equation and how to be solve it. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Okay. See you next time video. Bye bye.